Listen, let's be real for a second. Who actually enjoys spending hours on repetitive tasks? Nobody, right? We've all been there, drowning in a sea of to-dos, wishing for an extra set of hands. Well, guess what? That's where the magic of automation comes in. We're talking about those slick digital shortcuts that take the boring stuff off your plate, freeing you up for, well, the stuff that actually matters. And no, you don't need to be some kind of tech wizard to make this happen. We're diving deep into 10 incredible and completely free automation tools that can level up your productivity game in 2025 and beyond. We're talking social media scheduling, task management, even automating those tedious little website actions, you name it. There's probably a tool for it. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's grab a whole new level of efficiency together. You ready? Let's get into it. First up, we're kicking things off with a heavy hitter, Zapier. Now, if you haven't heard of Zapier, you're missing out. This tool is basically the digital duct tape, the connecting force, the bridge between all those apps you use every single day. See, the real power of automation comes from connecting different tools together, and that's where Zapier shines. Imagine this, you get a new email in Gmail that you need to add to your to-do list in Asana. Now, you could manually copy and paste that information, wasting precious minutes of your life, or you could set up a simple Zap, that's what we call these automations, to do it for you automatically. And it gets even better. Zapier has literally thousands of pre-built integrations with all the big players like Google Sheets, Slack, Trello, you name it. So whether you're a freelancer juggling client projects, a small business owner managing your online store, or just someone who wants to streamline their day-to-day, Zapier's got your back. Now don't let the sheer number of options overwhelm you. We'll walk through a simple example together, so you can see just how easy it is to get started. Trust me, once you experience the power of automating those repetitive tasks, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, let's talk about social media. Whether you're building a personal brand or managing multiple accounts for your business, staying active online can feel like a full-time job. But what if I told you there's a way to schedule your entire social media presence in advance, freeing up your time and mental energy for other things? Enter Buffer. This free tool is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to streamline their social media game. With Buffer, you can connect all your major social accounts. Think Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and schedule posts days, weeks, or even months in advance. Think about that for a second. No more scrambling to come up with content on the fly or interrupting your workflow to hit that publish button. Just plan your content in batches, set it and forget it. But it's not just about scheduling. Buffer also gives you valuable insights into your audience's engagement, so you see what's working, what's not, and optimize your content strategy accordingly. Plus, their free plan lets you manage up to 3 social channels, which is perfect for getting started. Okay, let's be honest, spreadsheets are great, but sometimes you need something a little more robust. Something that can handle complex projects, collaborations, and tons of data without breaking a sweat. That's where Airtable comes in. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet on steroids. You've got your rows and columns, but Airtable takes it to a whole new level with features like customizable views, powerful filtering and sorting, and even the ability to link related records together. But here's where the magic happens. Airtable also has built-in automation features that let you streamline your workflows and eliminate manual tasks. For example, you can set up automations to automatically assign tasks, send notifications when deadlines are approaching, or even move projects between different stages based on specific criteria. It's like having a personal assistant for all your projects, keeping everything organized, on track, and most importantly, automated. Whether you're managing a team, planning a big event, or just trying to keep your own life in order, Airtable is definitely worth checking out. Playwright, automating the web, one script at a time. Alright, let's get a little technical for a second. Have you ever wished you could automate those repetitive tasks you do in your web browser? Things like filling out forms, scraping data from websites, or even testing web applications. Well, with Playwright you can. This open-source tool from Microsoft lets you write scripts that control your web browser, automating all sorts of actions that would normally require manual clicking and typing. Now I know what you're thinking, coding. Isn't that a bit much? But trust me, Playwright is surprisingly beginner-friendly, and there are tons of resources available to help you get started. Think about the possibilities here. You could automate your online shopping routine, scrape data for your next big project, or even build your own custom web scraping tools. Alright, time to flex that brain. Let's do a quick automation quiz. 3 questions, type your answers in the comments. Question 1, which tool schedules your social media posts? A. Zapier. B. Buffer. C. Airtable. Yep, Buffer. Question 2, what's a free tool for linking apps like Gmail and Slack? A. Playwright. B. Zapier. C. Notion. Zapier's the one. Question 3, which freebie tests websites across browsers? A. Airtable. B. Make. C. Playwright. Playwright nails it. Alright, you've aced the quiz, or at least had a laugh trying. Now, want the full scoop? I've packed all 10 must-have tools into a free PDF, Top 10 Must-Have Automation Tools. Free or dirt cheap options, real-world wins, like how Zapier saved me 2 hours a week. Grab it on Google Drive, links in the description. Plus, snag my 5 free automation hacks bonus list on Google Docs, quick wins to kickstart your automation game. Both links are below. Go check them out and let us know what you think. So, what's your next step? Pick one tool from that PDF, say, Buffer, and automate something small today. Schedule a post, save 10 minutes, feel like a wizard. That's the power of this stuff. Next time, we're diving into how to automate your inbox chaos. It's gonna be good, so hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment, which tool are you stoked to try? Links for the PDF and bonus list are below, go get them. See you soon.